Hello everybody, welcome back to our HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix battery drain on your OPPO Reno 15F 5G. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to battery in the settings. So we're going to open up the battery. Now we're scrolling down, see the battery. Now what are we going to do is we're going to select the battery usage. Let me quickly lower the brightness for you guys. And here we have the entire battery. As you guys can see, we got the usage, we got the screen on active and inactive. Now, of course, we got the system launcher, settings, and messages. So for example, messages, we can force stop them. And here what we can do is we can go over to power saving settings. Of course, we can enable sleep standby optimization and go to app battery management. Now here we select an app, for example, and we restrict the background app activity. So we want to restrict them so they are not working in the background and they are not draining our battery. Now what are we going to do is we're going to uninstall the bloatware. So what exactly is the bloatware? It's a random folder like must play, and these are the games that you did not download, but they came with the software and with the phone itself. So here you guys can simply hold them to click uninstall, then uninstall again, and you can do that for every single game that you did not download on your device. This is very good because you can easily uninstall them and they are not blocked by the software. As you guys can see, we just got rid of every single game except for the Block Blast still. Now as you guys can see, we got rid of the games and we can uninstall even more bloatware, so like Temu or like AliExpress. But let's not waste time for this video. Now what are we going to do is we're going to go to the Play Store and install AccuBattery. So AccuBattery will tell us exactly if there is some issues with our battery. We're going to go and click install, and it's only less than 15 megabytes, so it shouldn't be a problem installing. We can click on open, and first we got the battery capacity. The calibration right now is in progress. And as you guys can see, we are still waiting for the calibration. So soon we should get the update. So now we can click on continue, and here it detected everything like our device. The battery design capacity is read perfectly. We're gonna click finish, and as you guys can see, the only error that we get is the alarm that basically requires notifications when the charge is finished. And here basically we need to allow the app to run in the background. So just battery usage and allow background activity. Click allow, and as you guys can see, we should get rid of the error. And that's the only error that we have here. So that means our battery is good on that point. What are we going to do next is we're going to go over and restart the phone. So we're going to press the power button, the volume up button at the same time, swipe up to restart, and now it is restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now after the restart, the last resort here is to go to the authorized service, because there may be an error that user can't find. So it's better to give the phone out to someone who will be able to actually fix the battery, or maybe just replace it. Maybe you need a replacement. So all you need to do is take it to the authorized service center, and that's basically it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.